Welcome to the Garage USA. Today I will be showcasing my Ertl TV cars. I have diecast cars from the TV shows Simon and Simon, The Fall Guy, and The Dukes of Hazzard. This is the Chevy Camaro Z28 from the TV series Simon and Simon. This spent most of its time in my nice car collection and didn't get much use. The paint is still in excellent condition and there are no scratches or flaws. This is a really nice casting with a lot of detail and I really like this one. This is the GMC pickup from the TV series The Fall Guy. You can see that it didn't get much use. The truck is practically flawless. And the only thing that I don't care for on this truck is the giant trailer hitch. I never understood why Ertl put that on there. Next is my Dodge Charger from the TV series The Dukes of Hazzard. This is my first General Lee, and as you can see it's had a lot of use. The decals are faded, the paint has scratches and chips all over it. However, it is still one of my favorite General Lees. This is my only other surviving General Lee. This one is in better condition than my first one, but Ertl changed the decals on the cars to something that just didn't work. You can see that over time the decals turned white. This is also missing the decal on the passenger door. This is Daisy Duke's Jeep Wrangler. This one didn't get much play. You can see that it's still in pretty good condition. This is one of my least favorite castings. The details are not true to life, and I think Ertl missed the mark on this one. They didn't even get the color right. And for some reason I actually have two of the Jeeps. And this is my last surviving Hazard County Sheriff's car. I had a total of 4 of these, and this is another one of these cars that I think Ertl really missed the mark. This is a nice casting of a Pontiac Bonneville. However, the show used the AMC Matador, Dodge Polara, Dodge Monaco, and the Plymouth Fury as patrol cars. Even at the age of 10, I knew that these cars were wrong. As you can see, this car is pretty much destroyed. It's been spray painted, the roof is caved in, the lights on the roof are broken, the axles are bent, there's a huge chunk missing in the back of the car. There's also a huge chunk missing in the front of the car. I don't think it's a good candidate for a restoration or even a custom, but I might keep it around for parts. I'm just not sure. And here's another look at my Ertl TV cars. I hope that you will join me for this series of videos, and if you enjoyed what you watched, go ahead and like and subscribe. Also, let me know what your favorite TV show diecast car is in the comments below. Thank you for watching.